Tell me, and I may forgot. Teach me, and I may remember. But involve me, and I am going to learn it definitely. This is a famous quote by Benjamin Franklin where he demonstrates the best way of learning. If you are not learning the right way, then definitely you are not going to get the desired outcome. Show you what I mean by that quote by Benjamin Franklin. The typical learning approach involves learning, learning, and learning. This approach involves too much related to learning, and as a human being, we may get fed up with grasping too much. We do have certain capacity to grasp our learning, and definitely, I do see a lot of disadvantages of this learning approach. Instead, instead, I recommend and what I follow is this particular learning approach, which I call as ideal learning loop. In this learning loop, first, definitely you need to learn the topic, learn the subject. Once you learn it, you need to do something on that topic. It could be doing assignment, it could be doing exercise, it could be doing certain examples, it could be uh, attending a quiz. And then once you go through that exercise, you definitely get a good learning. You get something on top of the basic learning that you had. So definitely this add-on learning gives you certain feedback on that topic itself that definitely going to help you in the next learning. It reflects in your next learning. You learn the next topic the better way. And if you keep on doing this, if you keep on doing this, then you reach a level where you feel confident about learning that skill. And you also feel that you are getting expertise, you are getting enough expertise, and you are becoming an independent learner. So this is why there are a lot of advantages of following this ideal learning loop. I can tell you one example of this learning loop. In our community, what we have is we do have a private channel, which is the all members community, and we do follow certain steps in learning. Once the learning is finished, once the learning is done, then there is a assignment is given that is for sure to work on that particular topic. Once a learner goes through that assignment, he might able to perform that assignment. He may not able to perform that assignment completely. That's perfectly fine. But if at all he attempts that assignment, he get to know lot many things about that topic. So once he do that exercise, once he do that assignment gives him lot of feedback for himself. He learns a lot about that learning, and then once he know a lot about that learning, definitely this is going to reflect in his next learning. So he becomes good at that skill day by day. So he follows this learning assignment, performing assignment, and then getting the feedback out of it, and then reflecting that learning into the newer topic learning. So you can see this typical example where I have asked to review the code, to go through the code line by line and understand how exactly this code is flowing. And this particular learner has come up with the flow chart. This flow chart not just shows the lines of code, but it also shows the uh, he has also written some description comments which denotes what exactly is happening at that step in a code. And you can see it has clearly demonstrated the workflow, how the code is executing from one line to another line along with its detailed description. So once someone performs the assignment like this, he get to know everything in very detail about that topic, and it helps him getting better at that skill. And definitely, uh, don't you believe that if this kind of exercise he has done, definitely is going to reflect in his new learning. Whatever he is going to learn next, he is going to get the good understanding of it without spending much of a effort. And if he is definitely going to, lot of learners are doing this inside the community, so they keep on doing this, and once they perform certain number of assignments, then they feel confident about learning this skill set.
Meet your personal NX Open Learning Assistant. You can get your answers, even guidance, and a code snippet instantly from this assistant. So, why are you waiting for? Try it now.